point, you are in the United States of America. Does anybody have a valid visa currently for the United States?
Yes.
Even if it expires soon?
Yes.
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 Are you aware that the very minute you cross this border, your status in the United States is nullified?
Yes.
Okay. Have you started a refugee claim in the United States?
No.
Is there a reason why you have not?
What?
Is there a reason why you're choosing not to do a refugee claim status in the United States, as opposed to traveling to Canada to do the very same thing?
Yeah, you must not hear from us first.
Yes.
Pardon?
Yes. Yes.
Do you know that there is a legal port not 3 kilometers from here where you can enter the country legally through the channels that are established? Yes? This is not a legal port of entry. This is an illegal point. This is not a way to come in.
Yes, we know.
Okay. Is the reason why you're choosing here as opposed to trying to go through the channels like everybody else that does?
No, we want to go through this one right here.
Okay, so you're aware that by crossing here, you're committing an illegal act?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you want the beginning of your life in Canada to start with an illegal
Yes.
act?
Yes.
Future in Canada.
Yes.
That's why I'm here.
But you can start that same
I
future in
want
Canada
this
after
one.
legal
We
work.
want this place.
want this
Yes.
place.
Why?
Because
Why
I
not the
want-
legal way?
Because I want to go to Canada because I believe I can make it, and this is how I can handle Canada. And I don't have the legal.
Do you have any family in Canada?
I don't have
No.
no
Anybody have any family in
No.
Canada?
No.
Are you planning to claim refugee status in Canada?
Yes.
Refugee. Yes, please.
Yes.
Where are we coming from? Which
coming-
countries?
Sorry.
Which countries?
Nigeria.
Okay. Are you aware that should your refugee class status be refused through Immigration Canada, you will be returned not to the United States, but in fact to your home country of Nigeria?
I understand
Yes.
that.
So you may be refused that either way, correct? You're aware of that? The difference is, and I want to be clear though, the difference is if you're refused here, you're returned directly to Nigeria. However, since you have legal status in the United States, if you're refused there, you're returned to the United States.
No, I don't want to return back to the United
We want
States.
Canada here. We want Canada here.
We are saving Canada.
Yeah.
I'm telling you that just because you come here doesn't mean you get to stay.
We are
Yes,
like that.
yes.
We understand that.
Clear. You understand what it is that you
Yes.
Yes, we understand that.
And we believe in this.
Yes.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, we just want to come in. That's it. No. Please.
For the fact that we believe in Canada, that Canada
why
can
we are
solve our
here.
problem. That's why we are here.
We are saving
And we don't have any other choice to go
We don't
back.
have any other place to go back.
Our mind is made up. We want to come
We
into
want to
Canada.
come into
That's
Canada.
because we know